Construction is progressing steadily, with over 9,600 tons of steel and approximately 44,000 cubic meters of concrete consumed. Completion. Tower A, podiums 1 to 4, levels 1 to 14 slabs, shear walls, core walls, level 15 in progress. Tower B, podiums 1 to 4, levels 1 to 12 slabs, level 13 ready to be cast. Core and shear walls from levels 12 to 13 in progress. Ramps from basement 2 to podium 3 completed. Concrete between towers, up to podium 4 completed. Columns from podium 4 to level 1 nearly finished. MEP works, high-level MEP in basement 2. Basement 1, podiums 1 to 2 mostly completed. MEP works in podiums 3 to 4 and typical floors are progressing. Paintworks, ceiling texture and paint completed in Tower A and B. P1 to P4, corridors on, typical floors 3 to 6. Blockworks, completed in basements, in progress up to level 10 in Tower A and B. Plasterworks, in progress, up to level 5 in both towers.